Oh, you know that Taylor Swift clip where she's like, I've been the architect of my own chaos that I currently live in? That's how this feels.
I, a not smart woman, have been the architect of my own chaos that I currently live in.
Well. It isn't the consequences of my own actions. Linus is about to fall out of his window seat. I feel like that Taylor Swift clip. She's the architect of her own chaos. What was it? Taylor Nation, what are you doing? Speak of the devil. I always panic when Taylor Nation posts. This past month has been the month of home renovations. We've jokingly been calling it, if you give a mouse a cookie renovation. You know, I think there's actually a whole series of these books, but it's, if you give a mouse a cookie, he's gonna want a glass of milk. Well, that's kind of the vibe of what's been happening around the house. It all started with one idea. I think we should replace the fridge. And then it kind of tumbled. Like, well, the oven is kind of getting old. We don't really love it. Should we look at getting a new oven as well? So then we looked at getting a new oven. If we're changing the fridge and the oven, I think we should look at a new dishwasher, because then the dishwasher is going to look out of place. The old fridge was white. The old oven was white. The dishwasher was white, but the new fridge, stainless steel. So then we're like, do we do a black and stainless steel oven? Yes. Then the dishwasher is going to look weird, not a place. Let's get a new dishwasher. If we do all that, we've changed the fridge, the oven, the dishwasher. We should put the microwave above the range, do the whole vented hood situation. That'll clear up some space, because right now we just have our microwave,
which I've warmed in the microwave,
on the counter kind of thing, and that just takes up a lot of space. But do you know what else we were thinking? We should redo the floors. Okay, so let's put hardwood in the living room, in the hallway, and the kitchen. It looks great. All right, but do you know what else? We should do something about the storage situation in the living room. We should do an IKEA hack. Use the Havsta cabinets that we already have. Get a few Billy bookcases. There are so many beautiful images out there, people doing this hack. We're like, we can do this. Since we got a new TV, we should actually mount it and install it within the bookcases. Because I'm stubborn and would rather be crushed by a TV than become a burden. That's something to explore in therapy. We really need to change the couch, because the old couch just doesn't really work with the layout of the updated living room. So we got a new couch. We also got new pillows, but that's a story for another day. So let's check off what we've gotten done thus far. Appliances, check. New floor, check. New couch, check. Build the IKEA bookcases, check. So I was putting this TV together. We also have this part, which is very unique. It's because there used to be a wood burning stove here, but we had to take it out. So now we're just like this weird little alcove that we're trying to make the most of. So we started by mounting the TV, as you can see. And then yesterday, like, I know it's secure to the wall, but in my little brain, I was like, if I just scoot this back, peace of mind, if it falls on this. It'll probably still be damaged beyond repair, but in my brain, it made me feel better overnight. But by scooting that back, we realized how much space we gained. And like, it's not bad, but it could be better. And so we decided, why don't we just customize all this? And let me be clear, we're gonna do another one of the skinny billies on this side. This big tall guy will go over there. It'll go here. We're gonna build back behind there to make use of that for storage area. And then we will build along here as well to make like a complete built out shelf system. And then we're going to paint it. Right now we're kind of leaning towards a pink, which would be nice, but we'll see. So really, I just need to figure out the best way to take these apart and the best way to like label them so that we know which piece goes with which. So come with me while I figure that out. Thank you so much for watching as we piece together this If You Give a Mouse a Cookie renovation. Stay tuned because I'm sure next week it's going to look different.